What is called work? We may think work is the job or an activity we are doing for money. But in physics, the meaning of work is completely different. When a force acting on an object causes a displacement, then work had been done on the object. The work done on the object is equal to force times displacement. Let's imagine a man is pushing a wooden box. We can see that he is applying force on the box. Let's say the force applied is equal to 15 newtons and the box moves 10 meters in a straight line in the direction of the force. Therefore, the work done on the box will be equal to 500 Newton meter or 500 joules. Let's change the situation. Now the man is pulling the box with the same amount of force and the displacement is again the same 10 meters. Will the work done change? No, it will be the same. Let's change the situation again, but this time a big change. Now the man is pulling the box with the same amount of force and the displacement is also the same. But only one change. The direction of the force is not similar to the direction of displacement. Then what is the work done? Will it be equal to 500 joules? No. The direction of force is not similar to the direction of displacement. Therefore, we have to calculate the force applied along the direction of displacement. Let's say the angle between the force and displacement is theta, and the force acting along the direction of displacement is Fa, and the force applied by the man is F. We can see that the two force vectors had formed a right angle triangle. Using simple trigonometry, we can find the value of force applied along the direction of the displacement, which is equal to F times cos theta. We know that the work done is equal to force times displacement. Substituting the value of Fa in F will give the value Fd cos theta. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more videos, stay tuned.